is Vartika Singh and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here and you really like my videos, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also do follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Okay, so today is a Nykaa haul and I think this video is gonna be super long. So sit back, relax and yeah, watch the full video because this video is gonna be super helpful. Okay, wait, let me show you. So this is all the stuff that I have. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with the video. So I have many things from Nykaa, so rather than randomly showing them to you, I'll be showing them in the order in which we apply them. So beginning with the primer. So this is the first time that I purchased a primer, and I don't used to purchase primer because I think कि मेरा dry skin है and I don't have as such many acnes or pores, so I was like नहीं ठीक है चलता है. But this I finally purchased a primer. So this is what it looks like. So it's Maybelline New York Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry. So इसमें दो आता है. One is Dewy Plus Smooth, which is obviously for dry skin because dry skin people need that dewy kind of effect, and the other one is matte, which is for oily skin people. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. काफ़ी ऐसा luxurious सा पैकिंग है, काफ़ी सुंदर लगता है, and it is almost like a cream. And I have used this today, and if you can see any difference in my makeup, is just because of this. And also if you want to see this makeup look like how I created, you can watch shorts, like many short videos are coming up, so you can watch those. Okay, this is what it looks, and it retails for rupees, wait, it retails for rupees 4.99, and that is the price in which I got it. I didn't got any discount. So the next thing is obviously the foundation, and its very own our Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So the last time I did a Nykaa haul, I also purchased this, but तब मैंने ना 230 शेड का खरीदा था, and now I bought this in the shade 310, and I think कि ये शेड ज़्यादा मैच करता है, and that was a little light for me. So I usually purchase the small one because small वाला भी मेरा 4-5 महीना चल जाता है. So why to get the big one? And also you don't need any description for this foundation. This is the best foundation in the market. It will go for any skin, dry ho, oily ho, any skin you have, you can just get this one. And there are many shades available. That's the best part. Okay, so now next, obviously you use a concealer, but this I didn't purchase it now. ये वही पुराना वाला है. So if you want to see this, this is what it looks like. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade what's the shade? Pure Beige. So this is not a new purchase, this is an old purchase. Okay, so before moving on with the eyes, let me show you what all I got for like blending and all. So this is a beauty blender that I got. So this was from the brand Bronson, and I got this for 120 rupees, and this is like a really nice quality. This is very soft and it blends your foundation or concealer very easily. So very good. And the next thing that I got is this brushes. तो ये पूरा ब्रश का सेट था, and I got this from the Miniso store. So ना मैंने इस पे एक पूरा फुल रिव्यू करा हुआ है ये ब्रश के सेट पे. So if you want to watch that, go watch. I think it's the previous video. So yeah, this is also of a very good quality. Now let's move on with the eyes. So the first thing that I got is an eyeshadow palette. So this is what the palette looks like. So this is from the from Wet n Wild, and this is in the variant Rose in the Air. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like, and it's very beautiful, and this is their most popular because you can see इसमें like nudes भी हैं and there are some pop of color. So this is like perfect if you're looking for an eyeshadow on like daily basis, and it's really good pigmented. Like let me show you. So just take on this. Okay, so the camera is not really showing up. Okay, so you can see this is the pink shade, and this golden shade is very beautiful. Let me show you. Can you see that? It's very beautiful, and the browns are really good pigmented. Sorry, I'm not really good at doing swatches, but this palette is really good. Oh sorry, I didn't got it from Nykaa, I got this from Myntra. तो Nykaa पे इसका प्राइस था 499 या 599, and Myntra पे I got this for 315 only plus the delivery charges. So I got this for 390 on Myntra, so why not? Yeah, so this I got from Myntra. And the next is also an eyeshadow, so it's basically a liquid eyeshadow. So this is from the brand Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade Champagne, and इसका जो प्राइस था वो था ₹189. and oh my god, this is such a beautiful eyeshadow. I have heard a lot of good things about this eyeshadow. So just wait, this is what the applicator looks like, and let me show it to you. It's very very beautiful. Just look at it. Can you see that? No, just wait. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. It's like perfect for parties and glam look. So I just can't wait to use this. And इसमें ना बहुत सारे अलग color available थे. Like there was silver, and then there was green and yellow, and trust me, this product is hardly available. Most of the time this is out of stock, and I know why, because this is so beautiful. Best product. Now moving on with the eyebrows. So I got an eyebrow pencil. So this is what the eyebrow pencil looks like. So this is from Maybelline, and this is their this is their Fashion Pro cream pencil, and इसका जो shade था that was dark brown. A pencil, and let me show you. It's very pigmented and it's very beautiful. I have used this today also. So overall it's a very beautiful product, and इसका जो price था, हाँ, it was around 200 rupees. So I think काफ़ी cheap भी है, because others were very expensive, and yeah, you can definitely get this one. Now coming on to the kajal. So for the longest time मैंने Maybelline के कोलोसल काजल एंड लैक्मे के आइकॉनिक को छोड़ के कोई काजल यूज़ नहीं कर रहा है, बट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई गॉट दिस वन. सो दिस इज़ अ वेट एंड वाइल्ड का कोल काजल. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली फॉर क्रिएटिंग दैट स्मोकी आइज टाइप का, एंड दिस अगेन इज इन द शेड ब्राउन. जस्ट लुक एट इट्स so sharp and it's so beautiful. Now I think कि मैंने ये और ये क्यों लिया, like दोनों same shade का है. I could have used that, but anyway. So this is like for ₹195 I guess, and you get like a really good product. So this is worth it. I am very excited to create smoky eyes look with it. Okay, now coming to the eyeliner, and it's a very own Lakme, but it's not the Lakme Insta Liner. It's another eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. So this is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line, and इसका जो price था, it's written 450, but I think I got this for ₹399, 350 I guess. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. काफ़ी सही है, like काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही है. आफ्टर द लैक्मे इंस्टा लाइनर, दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट eyeliner that I bought, and I'm already in love. Like, okay, just wait. Look at the tip. It's so sharp. It's perfect for creating wing liner if you are a beginner. Just let me show you. Just look at it. It's jet black and it's very beautiful. Obviously, like Lakme eyeliners are the best. You can't have anything in comparison, so you can definitely get this one. Now coming on to the mascara. So this is not a new purchase, so ये पहले का ही है. I really wanted to get Maybelline का Lash Sensational mascara, but that was not available. So if you're looking for anywhere reference, so this is that I use nowadays. It's the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. Coming to the lipstick, so I have 1, 2, 3 lipsticks and a lip balm. So let's begin with the nude one. So this is what the first lipstick looks like. So it's the Maybelline का creamy mattes वाला range, and this is the shade Nude Nuance. And oh my god, it totally does what it says. Like ये इतना ज़्यादा creamy है, and at the same time it's matte. So you literally feel nothing, like you're wearing nothing, and माय गॉड द स्मेल, आई एम लिटरली डाइंग फॉर द स्मेल. लाइक मिनी में भी काफ़ी अच्छा खासा प्रोडक्ट मिला है, सो यू कैन गो फॉर द मिनी. ओ लेट मी शो यू दिस शेड. It's a very beautiful nude shade. Like if you're looking for a nude shade, definitely go for this one. Just look at this shade. It's so beautiful and it's very creamy. Definitely check this one out, guys. And mini is like very inexpensive. This is for like 200 rupees, I guess. 200 या 150 का. So you can definitely check this out. Now coming to the next one, that is the red one. So this is the same shade, same range है ये, Maybelline का creamy matte, but this is like a big one, big size. So this is in the shade Dare to be Red. So obviously काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही वाला ये red है. So you get this much of product, and again it smells very beautiful. Like now let me show you. Just look at it. So it's in a very beautiful red color and काफ़ी सही है. I think Maybelline and Lakme, these are the products जिसके बारे में you don't have anything to say. They are the best in the market. Now coming to the third lipstick that I am wearing right now. So this is a Lakme ka. So this is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Wine Touch, and oh my god, the color is so beautiful. I'm just loving this color very much. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. Like if you're looking for going for some parties, this is the best shade, and it's very good. But the only thing is that it's a bit transfer proof. Like see, there's a color in my hand, and yeah, you can use some tissue to dab on the extra, but it's a bit transfer proof. I have to agree that. But you can work with that. I agree that liquid lipsticks are a bit transfer proof, so you can't do anything about that. Okay, now coming to the last product. Yeah, this is the last product. So it's a repurchase. So I just use this lip balm like on everyday basis. So I just bought this. Let me show you. So this is in a like very pinkish and red sort of, and what can I say about Maybelline ka Baby Lips? It's the best. I have been using Maybelline ka Baby Lips for about 2 to 3 years, and I have almost tried all their shades, and all their shades are very beautiful. I actually uploaded a shorts on best lip balm. So yeah, you can see that. Now I'm going out of words. Okay. Now you must be wondering that why I don't have a blush and a bronzer, because I don't like using bronzer because काफ़ी ज़्यादा harsh हो जाता है वो मेरे लिए, and for blush I always use this. So this is like very perfect. Even today I have used this only, and it's like a perfect blush का shade. Yeah, and let me see. So and for highlighters, this is the one that I use. This is not a new purchase, ये पुराना ही है, and this is the Maybelline का Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and it's very beautiful. Like you can see the पूरा glow आज का. That's because of this highlighter, and some glow is because I'm shooting in बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी, and yeah, this is what the shade looks like. Let me show you. It's very beautiful. So you can definitely purchase this one, and this I think is for rupees, I don't know. I'll try to link everything and you can check that out. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, और अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ एक thumbs up दे देना. And if you want me to create some like makeup looks, definitely comment me down. And if you want to see this look also, comment me down. I would love to create makeup looks for you guys. Till then, see you, bye, and also subscribe कर दो. Bye.